Hi guys, I'm Zoe. So today I would like to unbox this brand new Realme C3. So let's start it. Wow, we can see this. Hey, welcome to Realme family. Ooh, it's frozen blue color, guys. Wow. It even has this shiny effects on the frozen blue color. So nice. So this model features 12 megapixels plus 2 megapixels plus 2 megapixels rear camera setup. Its main camera has a f1.8 large aperture which may zoom up to 4 times and support autofocus. This will make the photo taken clearly in daylight and bright in low light and dark environments. For its 4cm super macro lens, it can give more details when we shoot tiny objects. The Realme C3 also has this exciting feature such as Chroma Boost, which can give a better dynamic range, screen contrast, and vivid colors. It also has this 5-megapixel selfie camera, which support HDR mode, portrait mode, AI beautification function, and a panel selfie features, which we can take wider selfie. For your information, this Realme C3 is actually world's first phone which having this MediaTek Helio G70 processor. It has this AnTuTu benchmark scores of over 190,000, which is higher than any phone in this segment. It even can clock up to 2.0 GHz, which is latest and fastest than any phone in this segment. The display latency optimization of MediaTek Helio G70 actually gives faster response time, better screen control, and increase the fluidity of the touchscreen. This processor also has premium picture quality, which supports true color, better screen contrast, and clearer picture when we are watching videos or playing video games. With high-performance ARM Mali G52 GPU, this model is actually ideal for mainstream smartphone users and elite mobile gamers. Besides that, with a dual Wi-Fi, Realme C3 users can actually switch to the optimal band for a faster connection. The most interesting part is, Realme C3 actually features a huge 5000 mAh battery capacity, which is super endurance defined. With this huge battery capacity, we can actually calling non-stop for 40.9 hours, watching YouTube videos for 20.8 hours, and play our PUBG for 10.6 hours. This brand new Realme C3 features 6.5-inch screen, and they even have this mini drop display, which is 89.8% super high screen to body ratio. It's like holding a whole screen, bringing a more immersive visual experience. Besides that, our new system Realme UI also optimized a few attributes by the Realme C3 display, such as eye protection mode, dark mode, and screen color temperature adjustment. So, if you are interested with this brand new Realme C3, go visit their official website for more information. See you next time. Bye!
Realme smartphone. Dare to leap.